it's Linda Medeiros, director with The Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, we were in the store the other day and I saw this pork tenderloin and it was on sale at Shaw's for like $4. And I was like, you know what? We haven't had one of those in the air fryer or rotisserie in a while. So I picked it up and I've got it on my wood cutting board. And I want to show you what I did because I wanted some fresh veggies, I needed to use some leftovers, and then I wanted this pork tenderloin also. So let me show you what I got here. So as you can see, I've got my pork tenderloin here, and I did it on the rotisserie. Now I did use my thermometer, and I'm letting it rest a little bit because I actually like my pork at about, medium. I don't like it overdone, and I love these chef's tongs to be able to move things around. So I'm just gonna, slice it, and we're hoping that this is going to be done to perfection. And look at it, it is done to perfection. So we're gonna have probably about half of this tonight, and the other half, if it's not totally done, which I think it is, we will have in maybe sandwiches. Michael will take it to work with him and all of that. Look at how nice this is. And this literally took me about a half an hour start to finish to make this meal, okay? So look at it still, I'm almost down to the thickest part of this and it is still looking perfect. And of course I'm using my chef's knife because I love this knife just to cut through things really quickly. But then I told you I had some leftovers. Let's see if we can turn this around a little bit. So I have my rice here that I made the other day. And so I have that, we're gonna use that. But also I made a ratatouille and I made it smaller than normal. It's on my website. You can go to www.pamperedchef.biz/Linda Medeiros, or you can do tiny.cc/what'slindacooking, and you'll be able to find this. Now, normally it has eggplant in it. I hope you can see it over here. I think you can. Let me see if I can. Whoop, there we go. You can get it a little bit better. There we go. I did about half the size, so this is my 1 quart enameled cast iron because it's perfect for Michael and I. And I did not put in the eggplant because I think I'm allergic to eggplant, so I just put in yellow squash, zucchini, and the tomatoes, and then tomato sauce, and put a little bit of balsamic vinegar and a little bit of the tomato sauce, balsamic vinegar, and my canola oil, the garlic infused canola oil, which I absolutely love the flavor of that. I wish I could get it in gallon sizes because that's how much I use it. So that is what, and I've got my thing down. Well, there we go. That is what we're having tonight. We're having the pork tenderloin roast, the leftover rice, because we don't want anything to go to waste, and the ratatouille. Comment below what you're having for dinner because I would love to hear what you're having because, I just love to hear. Shout it out. And this is Linda Medeiros, director with The Pampered Chef, host of What's Linda Cooking. Bye for now and keep on cooking and stay safe, everybody. Bye for now.